Welcome back to iFarco. Today, I will guide you on assembling a complete iFarco iRON PnP machine from individual parts in a short amount of time. For ease of shipping to customers, we have disassembled the machine into detailed assemblies. As you can see, I have the individual parts of the machine that have not been assembled yet. So, is the assembly process simple? Let's start together. First, let's start with the main frame of the machine. Each machine has 4 frame parts on the right and left sides. I have marked each part so you can distinguish them. Now, we mount the subframes onto their designated location on the main frame. Then secure it with the provided screws. And do the same for the other side. By repeating the same procedure on the left side, you will complete the main frame assembly. Next, we will attach the white edges. Look at the joint I've designed. Place the white edges into the joint so that they fit together. Secure them with attached screws. Do the same with white 2 edges. Just with the simple steps, we have assembled nearly half of the machine. Next up is X-axis. Place the X-axis on the existing joints on the Y-axis and then secure it with screws. Now we have completed the installation of the X and Y axis of the machine. Next, let's move on to the cable. You can see screws in the fixed cable section. Remove them and adjust the appropriate position to attach. Use M3 screws to secure the cable to the X-axis into position as shown in the video. In the remaining part of the cable, secure it to the main frame of the machine. After installing the cable, proceed to move the axis and check the end stop. Each contact on the X and Y axis give a feedback with each end stop on each axis. Continue with the Z axis. Place the Z-axis in the available position on the Y-axis and secure it with screw. Yeah, we are almost finished with this machine. Installing the feeder base is the final step in the mechanical assembly of the machine. Place the base feeder inside the machine frame. Then secure the outside of the frame with screw. Do the same with the remaining base feeder part. Thus, with just a few simple steps, we have completed the mechanical part of the machine. Let's take a look at this achievement.